Good morning. Happy Sunday. Happy Pride Day. This is Marcel. Here comes Amtrak. 724 Capital Corridor train going to Sacramento on 98th Avenue. This is it, y'all. Here she comes. She just now diverted over to track 2. Cat car leading this one off. Looks like a 5-car set in the back. Oh, 8302 Mount Shasta leads off. 8302 Mount Shasta. Coach Lynn Valley. Veda River, 6963. Point Reyes in the back. And F59 PHI 2004. Train is off to Sacramento with 2 CAD cars on it. Point Reyes is in the back of 2004, and Mount Shasta is leading off. So, thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye. All right, folks. Good morning again. This is Marcel. Here comes Amtrak Capital Corridor train 727. Y'all southbound destination of that train is San Jose Deardown Station. Here she comes, folks. This is an F59 PHI leading this one off. Like a 5-car set. All right, 2001 leads off. 6965 Port St. George. Look at that train. That train is going to San Jose, southbound. I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Happy Sunday, happy Friday. Bye-bye now.